If static air pressure is 0.5 bar and dynamic pressure is 0.85 bar, then find total pressure acting on a body. A 1.35, B 5, C 7, D 8.56. The correct answer is 1.35. A2D airfoil is operating at 0.6 m. Find the approximate value of lift curve slope in per rad. A 7.85, B 1.9, C 2.3, D 3.87. The correct answer is 7.85. Induced drag of the airfoil is A 0.0 n, B 1.2 n, C 20 n, D 25.8 kN. The correct answer is 0.0 n. For ideal flow, total pressure along streamline will be A constant, B increases, C decreases, D always decreases by half. The correct answer is constant. The location of separation point will depend on A curvature of the body, B body weight, C mass of body, D only on body length. The correct answer is curvature of the body. For an incompressible flow, if local area velocity decreases, then the dynamic pressure will A decrease, B increase, C constant, D independent of velocity. The correct answer is decrease. Consider an incompressible flow. If static pressure increases, then the local free stream velocity A decreases, B increase, C remains same, D insufficient data. The correct answer is decreases. Skin friction drag is defined as A drag due to friction between skin and fluid flow, B wing lift drag, C such drag does not exist, D lift induced. The correct answer is drag due to friction between skin and fluid flow. What is interference drag? A drag produced by interaction of different components, B skin friction drag, C lift induced drag, D drag due to weight of the aircraft only. The correct answer is drag produced by interaction of different components. At same value of maximum lift, AOA lift coefficient of cambered wing is A higher than uncambered wing, B lower than uncambered wing, C same as cambered airfoil always, D not dependent on camber. The correct answer is higher than uncambered wing. Drag which is produced due to lift is called A induced drag, B parasite drag, C weight, D thrust drag. The correct answer is induced drag. Increment in the skin friction drag due to prop wash is called A scrubbing drag, B vortex, C swirl, D curling flow. The correct answer is scrubbing drag. Aerodynamic forces are generated due to A shear and pressure force acting on body, B shear effects only, C only pressure forces, D twisting of beam. The correct answer is shear and pressure force acting on body. Wave drag is produced due to A shock wave formation, B incompressible flow, C fluid is not compressible, D flow separation of incompressible flow. The correct answer is shock wave formation. Is one of the sources of drag A viscous separation, B drafting, C signal strength, D lift only. The correct answer is viscous separation. If I want to design an aircraft which primarily flies in a low-speed region, then which type of drag shouldn't be considered? A wave drag, B parasite drag, C induced drag, D form drag only. The correct answer is wave drag. The change in local airflow velocity will produce small change in skin friction drag. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.